Find or read reviews that people are talking of BooKoo 12V jump starters, battery pack with wireless charger, 3000A lithium battery, jump starter portable. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose BooKoo 12V jump starters. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Our 74-watt battery jump starter could be used to jump start almost all 12V vehicles, up to 7.2-liter gas or 8.0-liter diesel engines, in seconds safely with its 3000A peak current. A single charge can achieve 20 times jump start, even in extreme temperatures, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The portable jumpers cables for car with visual notification feature a mistake-proof design with 8 advanced safety protection technologies. So things won't go away even if you accidentally hook it up incorrectly to your dead battery. The BooKoo H9 12V battery booster jump starter pack could provide sufficient power to your electronic devices, which is 1.75 times faster than conventional power banks. It weighs 1.21 pounds, making storing and transporting a breeze. 2 built-in flashlights. One is a fairly standard beam flashlight with 3 modes, flashlight/SOS/strobe. The other is a cool panel that swivels out to give an area light for a table or other work surface. Meets various demands. Its built-in magnet is powerful enough to stick to hood and chassis for illumination. Rugged and water-resistant enclosure rated at IP67 makes it safe to use in any weather. Very easy to use, small enough for your vehicle's roadside kit. Directions are simple to follow. Never be stranded with a dead battery again. The BooKoo H9 Power Jumper Starters Portable has more longer battery life than general motorcycle booster packs. It uses IP66 high-level class waterproof protection, sturdy dust-proof and shock-proof so that it can be used in rainy or snowy days, even more harsh weather. With a hard-carrying case which made of high-quality EVA, protecting the BooKoo H9 battery booster jump starters packs with a lightweight, crush-resistant, anti-shock case. High-quality zipper design convenience can easily open and close it. Safely and quickly jump start your dead battery in seconds with this portable but powerful battery jump starter. BooKoo is on a mission to bring powerful, portable, innovative battery technology to anyone, anywhere. With enough power to jump start any engine, it's ultra lightweight so you can grab and go. It's intelligently designed so you can jumpstart any 12V vehicle quickly and safely. Start anywhere at any time. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.